If I have a commercial auto policy, can I let whoever works for me drive the vehicle?
So for the most part on commercial auto policies, the answer is going to be no on that. They work differently than personal auto policies, where if you have a personal vehicle, you've lent it to a friend with permission, or somebody in your house is driving it with permission, the liability is going to extend there. And it's not necessarily the same thing for commercial auto, because you are typically looking at a wider pool of drivers, wider ages of drivers, driving records are different, and these are all things that vastly impact commercial auto policies and premiums. For instance, if you have a guy who you just hired, he's 19 years old and he's got 3 speeding tickets on his record. It's not something that you knew when you hired him. If you didn't talk to us, and us in turn talk to your commercial auto carrier and look at adding him, they would have no idea that they have somebody with a record on the policy that could possibly up the premium. They have no way of covering their end, and you could possibly be looking at a declination of a claim if anything were to happen with him as a driver.
And you're going to have probably, if you're running any business, you're going to have employees come and go. Again, that all boils down to, if you want to be protected, then you need to make sure you understand what's on your policy, what endorsements are there or not there, what's it going to cover and what's it not going to cover. And then just make sure that when you have people drive, you know that they're covered.
Yeah, and I've even seen our customers, our insureds, contact me and they'll make a couple of changes at once, delete 2 drivers, add this driver, and they've been driving for a couple of weeks now, and I was just like, oh, we definitely want to get these added as soon as they start. And they're just like, well, we had a bunch of changes, I didn't want to keep calling and bugging you. Well, that's what we're here for. We're here for you to call us and,
Or email us.
Or email us. Yeah, call us or email us, whichever one is easiest. That's our job. That's what we want to do for you, is just help you make that easier and help you with any of those questions, any of those changes that you have day to day.